Hello everyone. Today we came up again with our ninth experiment of the virtual lab, that is a synthesis of cinnamic acid from benzaldehyde and its melting point determination. First and foremost, we will concentrate on the principle behind the mechanism of the reaction. This reaction is basically known as the Perkin reaction. The Perkin reaction mechanism basically involves the aldol condensation of an active aldehyde and an anhydride molecule of both, formation of an alpha beta unsaturated acid. This basically the overall principle. The reaction between the aromatic aldehyde and an aliphatic anhydride, aldehyde and the anhydride, capable of providing an active methylene moiety in the presence of a basic catalyst such as an acetate ion and an hydronium ion, which yields an alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid, and it leads to a release of a mole of acetic acid between the interaction of both the things in the presence of acetate ion. The cinnamic acid and an acetic acid has been produced. Now we focus on the procedure. First, we have to take 10 ml of benzaldehyde, 14 ml of acetic anhydride, and the 6 ml of finely powdered potassium acetate are transferred into a dry possible container which must have a calcium chloride guard tube at the top. The calcium chloride guard tube will act as an dehydrating or desiccating agent. The mixture is heated at 160 degrees centigrade in an oil bath for 60 minutes and then 170 to 180 degrees centigrade for 3 hours. It is then poured into a round bottom flask containing 50 ml of water, which must have a steam distillation setup. Then the resulting solution is made alkaline by the adding saturated solution of sodium carbonate with vigorous shaking. It is then subjected to steam distillation until all the benzaldehyde unreacted get removed and the solution get clear. So it is a positive symbol that until and unless we getting the solution clear, we can estimate that the benzaldehyde unreacted must be there into the content. The content then is cooled and filtered off to get the resinous byproduct. It is made acidic by adding hydrochloric acid in a small amount, and it should be done until the carbon dioxide gas evolution getting ceased or stopped. The resulting solution is chilled and the cinnamic acid gets separated as an colorless crystal. Filter it out and calculate it by the help of the melting point apparatus. This is the corresponding reaction. We can see the benzaldehyde is being reacted with an acetic anhydride in the presence of potassium acetate, producing the cinnamic acid and the acetic acid. And we have given here the corresponding mechanism. You can go through it and you can see the corresponding mechanism of the total reaction given together. The cinnamic acid is basically been used in the favor of synthetic indigo and certain pharmaceutical products. It is used in the manufacture of methyl, ethyl, and benzyl esters for perfume industry. It is also used as the precursor of the sweetener aspartame preparation. This is all over the theoretical procedure. Now we'll focus on the calculation. We have to first calculate the benzaldehyde molecular weight, and then we have to calculate the molecular weight of the cinnamic acid, and from there we can able to calculate the theoretical yield, which will be around 14.66 gram of the cinnamic acid, and the practical yield we will calculate after our college gets reopened. And moreover, we will just write down the melting point, which we will do after the college gets reopened. Thank you for today.